Hello everybody, so now we're going to learn about static methods in Java. So let's start by creating a new project in IntelliJ. We'll call this static methods. Last time we did static variables in Java, so if you haven't seen that tutorial yet, please go back one in this playlist. They are closely related and very, very similar. So as you can see here, we already come across a static method. Now, previously we discussed that static variables are single instances of a variable that are shared among many instances of objects. And the same thing applies to a static method. But let's just write one out and see. Let's make some space. So I'm not going to need to create a new class for this. I'm just going to do it within here. So we'll create a static method. Okay, so we'll write public static void. Let's just say print a message. Let's just pass in a parameter of a message as well. And then now let's go system out print your message is, and then we'll add the message they passed in. Now down here, let's run this static method. Now, we could go like print message like this. Now, the reason why is because we're in a static method here, so we can just reference it like this. But let's say we were in a non-static method, so let's just say public in hello. If we try to go print a message like this, we're referencing this, which is in this object. But let's say we were outside the object. If we were outside the object, then we would have to go like main, which is the name of the class, and then dot. And then without having to initialize a new instance of this class, we can access the main method or the print all message, or the print a message. Right, so if we go hello from myself, and then run it, we should see your message is hello from myself. But the key difference is that we don't have to go like main equals new main, and then call main dot, and then print message, which we can't do. So yeah, that is how we statically create a method that can be accessible on without an instance basically of the main class. That's really it. You can call a method on an object from somewhere else without having an instance of the object that the method is in. So if you don't understand that, replay that a couple of times and you will see what I mean. Now, it is within this object, but it doesn't necessarily belong to an object. It comes under main as more of a category that it's in, but it doesn't really exist on an instance of main, is essentially the gist. It's like having a utility tool that you can use without needing to own the tool. So yeah, hopefully that was informative, guys. If you've got any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.